Good morning guys and welcome to another vlog in not so sunny Florida. It was sunny a minute ago. Looks like a hurricane starting now. We're just by the pool, we're just chilling out. We are going out later on for something to eat. We haven't decided where yet. Gunshots there in the background. Yeah, so we don't know what we're doing. Just chilling out around here for a couple of hours and then we shall have a look at what packed kits we've got. Probably won't do a theme pack today. Probably just do something. What's going on? Probably just do something relaxing because we're all tired. You alright, Mikey? No, she don't want to get wet. She's freezing.
It's really warm. Ready?
It's gone right cloud. Big black clouds have appeared now. It's gonna rain. Saf's chilling out. Oh, you alright now, Safi? Didn't want to get wet, did she? Bless her. Dad's feeling a bit festive. He's got his festive beer. Is it cold? Right guys, we've had a lazy day at the villa today. Michael's been asleep for 2 hours. And he's decided to get up now and we're going out for something to eat. We're going to Steak and Shake. It's kids eat free on a weekend and it's Saturday tonight, so we might as well go there tonight, use kids eat free. It's also a very cheap place to eat anyway, so yeah, see you when we get there. Safi's tired again and now she's at her foot. Oh, Safi. You need to put your shoes on, you can't go out like that. Look at the next door neighbour's house, all decorated up. We're here in Steak and Shake, we've ordered this meal. It's quite a big one, this.
It's a bit short staffed. There's no staff.
There's a kids area in the corner. Kids are playing there. I'm just going to go and take Safi there now and have a look. So this is the games room. It's pretty big. I wonder if it's new, this place. I don't have any change on me. No, I don't think we have any money. It's only got card. Does it accept card? Oh, change. What is Terminator? Saf's not well. She's not feeling right good today, are you? Oh. She's got a headache and her foot hurts and she's tired. Saf's been falling asleep early. She's been falling asleep at about 10 o'clock. Maybe before that, on the way home and staying asleep all night and then getting up in the morning really early before everyone else. She's sleeping all night, mate.
I didn't sleep all night. I had 1 hour kit, 5 till 6.
You had 2 beers, you got drunk, you went to bed.
I didn't get drunk.
You did?
I had 2 beers.
Are you going to have a beer when we get back?
Yeah.
Have a game of pool? I've been too tired every night to have a game of pool.
I had a game of pool, but then she just lost because she said, I can't do it.
Did you drop a pool ball on my phone by any chance and crack it?
No.
Safi dropped one on her foot, didn't she?
Yes, she did.
Poor kid. Where is she? You've left her on her own in games room.
No, she looked like she was going to pay a pound, so I mean, I didn't really
So you walked away?
So you just left her?
Yeah.
Go and get her, please. The food's arrived. I've gone for the garlic burger. Michael's gone for 2 dinners.
Well,
What did you get?
I got a Cajun burger. The fries are free. I got a Cajun burger and a triple cheeseburger.
And we've got some onion rings to share. Safi's gone for chicken bites, chips and a side of mac. And Zarina's got the same.
That was a really nice meal and it was less than 30 bucks including tip. Did you enjoy it? So we're just in the car parking lot now. And it's strange what you see around here. It's really strange. Like in the UK we have like an MOT just to prove that your car is fit to be driven on the road. Take a look at this. Look at this beauty. Right, you've got no headlights, you've got no bumper. Bonnet's not really shut. I should have a little walk around it. Look at this. You've got stuff hanging out there. People drive stuff like that in the US. It's crazy, really. What what they get away with. It really is. Right, okay. I need to get to Walmart.
Hi guys, it's the next morning. We didn't end the vlog last night. I was too tired. We all went straight to bed. Safi fell asleep on the way home and went straight to bed. And she's here now and she's still not well, are you, darling? You got to give you a medicine yet? How are you, Winnie? Okay. So say good night, God bless you now before I rudely interrupt today's. And we shall see you in tomorrow's vlog at SeaWorld. Take it easy.